Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I am Marty and welcome back to Washington DC. It is a gorgeous day here in Washington DC, and I mean gorgeous. This is probably one of the most beautiful days that I have seen. Today I'm going to be taking you inside the Smithsonian Institution Castle. This is the original Smithsonian Institution. It was built in 1855 and serves as the hub for all the Smithsonian museums. It's where the visitor center is, and it is just an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous facility. But before I go in there, I just want to show you the landscape. We got the Washington Monument right there. We got the Smithsonian National History Museum right there. You got the United States Capitol right there. And of course you have the castle right there. It is so beautiful. Now I did do another video on the exterior of the castle and the gardens. Make sure you check the end of the video. I will put a link to that video right there, along with a link to the entire playlist of all of the adventures I have been exploring here in Washington, DC. So without further ado, I hope you are ready, because I know I am. Let's go check out this amazing castle. So this is a really cool map right here. Kind of tells you where all the Smithsonian museums are. I have currently done 9 of them, and there's probably over 20. But I'm gonna try to get a little bit more while I'm here. But there's just so many museums here, and they're all free. Tell me which ones you've been to. Tell me which ones you would like to see, and hopefully I can get to them before the end of my tour here in Washington, DC. what did you guys think of the inside of the castle? It's small. It's nothing nothing crazy that's going to take you 5 hours or 2 days like some of the other museums, because again, it's just kind of like your starting point. It's your visitor center, and I would strongly recommend that you come here to the castle first to kind of get your bearings and see you know, which museums you want to hit up and which ones you want to do in that order. They have some really helpful people at the information center that can guide you and give you more information on what museums are going to take longer than others, and specifically what is in those museums. Now, this castle, rumored, but not rumored anymore, to have a tunnel system underneath it. And I did confirm, even though they kind of like to keep it like a secret, there is a tunnel system that goes underneath the castle, and it connects a good number of the Smithsonian museums together. There's a lot of piping and all that stuff down there, and I'm sure there's some things down there that I'm not privy to know, but mostly for employees to travel between different Smithsonian institutions without having to come up to the surface, you know, for inclement weather or whatnot. It's just an easier way, kind of compared to how Walt Disney World is technically built on the second level, and there is a huge tunnel system all throughout Walt Disney World that can take you from land to land. It's the same thing kind of here underneath the Smithsonian Castle, as well as Capitol Hill. There's a large tunnel system connecting all of the Capitol buildings for the senators and congressmen to go throughout all of Capitol Hill. They even have their own private subway under there. But yeah, there's so many cool things to see and do, and secrets here in Washington, D.C. I hope that you find these videos helpful, informational, educational, and just straight up entertaining. If you do, please make sure you subscribe with the bell notification turned on. Like this video, share this video. That's really important. Get this video out there so we can grow the channel and just share all of the amazing things that Washington, D.C. has to offer. I got about 2 more weeks here, and I am trying to squeeze in as much as I can. There is just no way to get to every museum in this city. I think I'd have to be here for multiple years to be able to get to all of them. There is a few art museums that I'm going to try to get to, and like I said, I think I've hit most of the big ones. Air and Space Museum will be open October 14th of 2022. I will be back and I will go to that one. Click the playlist down below. You can see all of the videos that I've taken. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.